A little girl arrived at the hospital where I work in a convulsive state due to fever, which is a routine in the emergency room of the region where I work. This girl, however, remained in this state for more than 4 hours. In such a condition can cause death or even leave terrible sequels in a child. Having exhausted all human means to cure his patient's condition, and after almost 4 hours of struggle, Dr. Carlos Alberto decided to turn to Donna Lucilia so that she would take care of the little girl who was suffering there. It was incredible. In 2 minutes, she recovered as if nothing had happened. This is one of the many miracles that people have witnessed through the intercession of Donna Lucilia, always timely and always discreetly. Let us confide our petitions to her and implore her intercession, especially now that we are in her novena.